Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Laura Noland at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Harry Soin, Senior Director of Technical Marketing for Hyperscale at Artesyn Embedded Power. Welcome to OCP TV, Harry.
Thank you, Laura, and thanks for giving us the opportunity to talk about Artesyn, share our vision, our products, and our product launch at the summit.
Of course, we're happy to have you. So if you could, please tell our viewers about Artesyn and what you do.
Sure. I'll start with myself briefly. My name is Harry Soin. I'm, as you mentioned, Senior Technical Marketing Director for the hyperscale space, located here in San Jose, California. I've been with the company for 30 plus years. Prior to moving to San Jose, I managed the China Design Engineering Facility in Shenzhen, China. Well, talking about Artesyn, Artesyn is a business of advanced energy, is one of the largest power supply manufacturers on the planet. We've been in this business for over 40 plus years and include well-known brands as Aztec and Emerson. We've been developing standard and custom power supplies, power shelves for the hyperscale market and hyperscale community for many, many years. We see ourselves as a technology leader with a long demonstrated history of performance and superior customer service.
So why is it important that Artesyn be part of this year's OCP Virtual Summit? We are happy that you're with us, but wanted to see, why it's important for you to be part of this platform and community and this event.
Well, we are very proud to be sponsored this year, like previous years. Yeah, this is the fourth year in a row that we've been participating in the Artesyn Global Summit. Well, although virtually this year, right? So this is particularly important year because there is a transformation going on, a 48-volt transformation. There's a new specs on the horizon, the ORV3 in the rack and power space. And, we have our engineers contributing to this. We have worked with other vendors and the OCP community to develop products which address this space, share challenges, and we have agreed to specifications as a team together. So Artesyn designs these products while retaining our differentiating intellectual property. While Artesyn's core technology is at the root and is a key differentiator, is at the bottom of these products. And finally, it's really important to support the overall compute project, as it helps transforms the way the IT infrastructure and data centers in particular, how they are created and how they are managed.
Great. So as you're part of the summit, do you have any news that you can share with us that you're going to release and talk more about during the summit? Any latest happenings from Artesyn?
Oh, yes, definitely. This year at the Virtual Summit, Artesyn is announcing a new Open Rack version V3 power products. We are very excited to showcase those products. Here at the summit, Artesyn has designed a 1 OU power shelf. It has designed a 2 OU power shelf as well, and the power supplies that are part of it. And, once the controller specifications are finalized, we will be adding that to our portfolio as well. So, we have developed those offerings in conjunction with the major OCP users and other vendors to create a common platform. And, across multiple deployments and to maximize the economies of scale. And this really benefits the OCP community as such, right? So
that's a great contribution. Yeah, very exciting this year. So as you are sharing and networking and collaborating and sharing what Artesyn is doing, what do you hope that you can bring back, and what are you looking for in particular that you can bring back to Artesyn to continue your mission?
Well, there's a lot of excitement around this event, right? I mean, our engineers always come back buzzing with ideas after the OCP event. So we're really excited to see what the whole community is coming together once again. And, although it's a virtual platform, but it's really, very exciting nonetheless. And, we hope, this excitement and the understanding will come across, and all the hard work of the contributors, is appreciated. So you asked, what Artesyn is doing in particular. So Artesyn will also be presenting at the Virtual Summit. And, I will be talking in particular about the ORV3 power supplies, and the ORV3 products. It's a deep dive, and this is in conjunction with the other vendors, so who are we working this together and creating this presentation. And you asked me what do we take back. So we plan to gather as much feedback as possible on our products, on the talk, so we can apply to the new generation and help improve and incorporate that in the next revision.
That sounds like a plan to me. So tell me why Artesyn became part of the Open Compute project, and maybe some benefits that you've seen because of you being part of this community.
No, so Laura, it's a very, very good question. So, Artesyn has a long history of working with the computing and storage equipment makers, of providing power solutions to their servers, their storage equipment, and the network switches. Some of our largest customers are the world's leading suppliers, to the data centers. So when these equipment makers started to develop products around the OCP, it was a natural move for us to help meet their power needs in this space, right? So we have invested a lot as a company in this, developing products, applying, decades of experience, because we buy into the fundamental drivers of this space and the standards evolution. So Artesyn's technology shines, in our products while delivering these, standard-based approach.
So Harry, where can our viewers go to learn more about Artesyn? I know that we're going to see you throughout the summit, but where can our viewers go?
So, well, you will see us at the summit. Of course, you can go to the Artesyn's website, and, for data center solutions and architecture, you can click on the solutions tab, and you can see all our products and, all the details there.
All right, Harry, we know where to find you now. And Artesyn, thank you so much for your time with us today.
No, you're very, very welcome. And, most of all, thank you for the opportunity to, give us a chance to speak about Artesyn's vision, the products we are showcasing. And, we're really excited to meet a lot of our colleagues and, catch up at the summit. And thanks again.
Anytime. And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.